Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that perfectly blends history, myth, and a touch of magic. Have you ever heard of Merlin's Mound? It's a massive Neolithic monument in England, and legend says it's the final resting place of King Arthur's famous wizard, Merlin. Well, this incredible piece of history is about to get a major makeover. The mound, which is officially called the Marlborough Mound, is located right inside the grounds of the prestigious Marlborough College for years. Some 20th century buildings like a workshop, and some toilets have been literally cut into its side, kind of spoiling the ancient vibe. But now, the college has finally gotten the green light to tear them down. This is huge news for history and archaeology buffs. So, what makes this mound so special? Well, for starters, it was built around 4,000 years ago. It stands at an impressive 19 meters, or 62 feet, tall. To give you some perspective, it's the second tallest prehistoric mound in all of Europe, only beaten by the nearby and equally mysterious Silbury Hill. After the Norman conquest, William the Conqueror himself ordered a castle to be built right on top of it. You can just imagine the strategic importance of this spot over the centuries. But the real magic comes from the local legend. The story goes that Merlin is buried deep within the mound. This legend is so ingrained in the local culture that the town's motto is, "Where now are the bones of the wise Merlin?" It really adds a layer of enchantment to the whole place, doesn't it? Interestingly, the mound isn't just a simple hill. In the 18th century, a beautiful shell grotto was dug into its side, and in the 1980s, a teacher from the college helped restore it. The college, by the way, has some pretty famous alumni like Catherine, the Princess of Wales, and comedian Jack Surmise. It's crazy to think they walked past this ancient monument every day. The upcoming demolition work is more than just a cleanup project. Archaeologists are really excited because removing the modern buildings will allow them to study a cross-section of the mound. They believe there's a good chance of finding traces of medieval waterways underneath, while it's unlikely they'll find Merlin's bones. This work will definitely help us better understand this nationally important site and restore it to a more visually pleasing, natural state. Now, before you book your flight, you should know that the mound is on private property and not usually open to the public. However, they do hold an annual open day every summer where you can get tickets to see it for yourself. So, if you're planning a trip to the UK, that might be something to look out for. What do you think about this restoration? Do you believe the legends of Merlin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It's fantastic to see such an important piece of our shared history being preserved for future generations. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories. See you next time.